morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in Dubrovnik, Croatia. This will be my first time off the ship here in this port. We've been here I think twice, but since we were in install we could not get off. So I'm really excited to get off the ship and finally see Dubrovnik. When I think of Dubrovnik, I think of Game of Thrones, even though I still have yet to watch it. Maybe this contract will be the contract I give in and watch the series. However, I am very excited to see what the city has to offer and what it looks like. I've actually booked an excursion, so I'm going to be one of the crew observers for a tour. So I have to meet in the theater at 7 o'clock, which is very early. I woke up at 6:15, but it is a shorter port day, so we have to be back on board by like 1:30 or 2, I want to say. So it is perfect that we are getting up and at 'em, and we are going to make the most of the day. As a crew observer for a tour, you basically review the tour. So you see what's good about the tour, what could be changed, just to make the excursion a better experience. So it's pretty awesome because I get a tour for free, but at the same time, I am working and helping Shore exhibit. So let's go to the theater and let's have a great day.
On the source of river, it's like a hidden paradise, and the third destination will be Savtat, small town of Savtat. It will take only maybe 15 minutes to reach Old City. Today we have a Bura northern wind, a little bit unpredictably, but today it's going to hold down.
Wow.
Each year we have more than 2 million guests climbing city walls.
So we just got off the bus. It is gorgeous outside, it's not that hot. And our tour guide is handing out the audio sets so we can use that throughout the tour. But I'm not sure what's first on the agenda.
Oh, wait, please. Watch out.
Yeah, watch the closer you are, the better you can.
They can send some presents which you better miss. Now, this is Franciscan Rose, so as additional protection of the Western Gate, Eastern Gate, number 25, Dominican Monastery, same purpose, strategically placed close to the Eastern Gate.
We are off of the bus and we are walking around Old Town getting a little bit of information about all the buildings, and we are currently in Luza Square right now. This is the town clock right here. First looks at the city. This is an absolutely gorgeous city.
This is definitely the most important palace in the city. Rector's Palace, with 3 councils. Great Council, Small Council, and Senate.
It is 8:45. We have been told that we now have 1 free hour to explore the city on our own. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Look at this view. Absolutely insane. It is so breathtaking. A video will never do it justice. But if it looks beautiful on the camera, just imagine what it looks like in real life. Absolutely stunning. Stumbled across a little market, which you guys know I love. There's fresh fruit, veggies. I think I've seen essential oils. It's super cute, so let's take a look. The way I'm craving fruit right now. These raspberries look incredible. Ooh, olive oil, nice. Marmalade, these are so cute.
Nourishing. I'll put it in the bed right there. Yeah, and you can flip your out. Yeah, just like that.
Thank you.
See how it just soaks right in.
This is the essential oil?
It's a combination. 5 essential oils and my own extra virgin olive oil.
Nice.
So no chemicals, no preservatives. My kitchen, my jams and marmalades. So this is all homemade.
Yeah, I love the
covers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are all the flavors you have?
So I have bitter orange, sweet orange, mandarin orange, lemon, grapefruit.
That lady with the marmalade was the sweetest lady. I want to buy something from her, but I might come back here and pick it up on the way. Oh, lavender. I was wondering what these bags are, but they're lavender bags. Okay. Lavender oil, little handmade earrings, cute. For being the extrovert that I am and the very social person that I am, I absolutely love spending time alone by myself, especially exploring a new place. It's just an entirely different experience, and I definitely recommend it to everyone. I think it's very important for self-growth to spend time by yourself and get comfortable spending time by yourself, and I'm just having the time of my life. I have no idea where this leads, but we're gonna walk this way, see where it takes us. I've made a friend. I've just walked up the stairs, and this is the St. Ignatius of Loyola Church. So we're gonna take a look inside. I have a feeling that it's gonna be extremely beautiful. And back down we go. So this street runs parallel to the main street in Old Town, so I'm just taking a peek because I think there's some shops and cafes, and maybe I can find a coffee. Are rubber ducks like the thing of Croatia? Someone let me know if you know, because they have another duck shop here. They had so many in Split, and now in Dubrovnik they have more. I'm taking the stairs up. I want to see if there's like a viewpoint from here. I've got about 20 minutes till I'll have to meet the group back at the bus. So I think there's a viewpoint up here. So let's go walk and check it out. If not, I'll just make my way back the way we came. I also really want an iced coffee, so maybe I can find a coffee on the way back. Everything is so picturesque here. I made it to the top. Beautiful. And if you can see in the distance right there, there's the water. I have just learned that Croatia is one of the biggest producers of lavender, hence why I keep seeing lavender everywhere. That makes a lot of sense.
It's a nice restaurant with an excellent position in a forest on the bank of River Bauth.
It smells amazing. We have just sat down at the restaurant. This restaurant is gorgeous. It's a hidden gem. We are literally in like the countryside of Croatia right now, and the restaurant is right along the river. So we've got a nice little breeze going. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the waitresses are dressed in like a traditional Croatian uniform. So it's a very authentic experience. They have served us some lunch. It's ham and cheese on toast There's lettuce, tomato, and pickle. And then they're also serving wine and water. So we're gonna enjoy this. Cheers. This came at the perfect time because I was already getting hungry, and it is just about 11 o'clock. Cheers! This experience is unbelievable. It is so beautiful. I've been following this trail since the restaurant, and I think it just goes on forever. The food was so fresh, like the cheese and the meat and the bread. Oh my gosh, so good. And then the tour guide offered to take a photo of me, and he honestly slayed. He slayed the photo. So we're getting back on the bus now.
There you can see boys playing multiple stadiums. To pay money back to the bankers, and they thought if Maximilian would become king of Mexico.
Made it back to the ship safe and sound. Today was such a good day. We're gonna get back on board and then we will unpack the day. Whew. I am back on board. I have had myself a full day and it is 1 o'clock. I am so happy I went on that excursion. It definitely exceeded my expectations, and honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I did read the description of the excursion, but you never know till you get there. And it was also my first time in Dubrovnik, so kind of hard to know what to expect. But I had a really good time. It was really fun. It was really laid back. The tour guide was awesome. Super nice man. He actually invited me to have a coffee in the last leg of the excursion. So when we were in Savtat, I think that's how you pronounce it. Please don't drag me in the comments. But it's spelled with a C, but it's pronounced with an S. That is how he pronounces, so I'm going to go off of that because he is Croatian.
Savtat, small town of Savtat.
Anyways, I digress. When we were there, we had about a half hour to walk around, so I just walked along the water a little bit, but he had asked me if I wanted to join him and the other tour guide for coffee, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna say yes to life, and I did, and it was really nice. I sat with them, had a little chit chat, had a nice oat milk coffee. I ordered an iced coffee, but it came out hot, but in a glass. But it was oat milk, so that was nice. And then I ran to the restroom. When I came back, I went to pay, and they had paid for me. So it was just really nice. The day was phenomenal. I feel, once again, very grateful. Honestly, some core memories were unlocked, and I had just a really nice little solo day. Some of my cast did get off together, and of course I would have had a great time with them, but it was nice to switch it up and just have some alone time. Even though I was technically with a group, I was spending majority of the time by myself, and it was just really nice. This is your sign to step out of your comfort zone and do something a little bit different. Saying yes to different things and, taking a step outside of our comfort zone is how we grow as an individual, and it just enriches our life. So I have absolutely no complaints for the day. I still have the whole afternoon to go to the gym. I'm going to get back to work on my laptop, and I'm going to have an early evening tonight because I did not get enough sleep last night and I was up really early. So thank you guys so much for coming along for the day. I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the sights. It was just so beautiful, and everywhere I looked, I was just in awe of the beauty. So I am excited to go back and check out Old Town a bit more, see what we get up to the next time we visit. Until then, make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and turn on your bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload. I have been uploading Mondays and Fridays every single week, and every once in a while I will throw in a bonus video on Wednesday, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. If you want daily updates, make sure to follow me on my socials. I will have those in the description as well. I love you all to the moon and back. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.